In a world where truck prices are too high and selection too low, comes a month where one dealership stands alone.
What's going on here, Brian?
It's truck month, Ronnie.
I know.
In a race against time, Sykora Family Ford must increase incentives, deliver the discounts.
What is this?
It's our new truck month radio commercial.
But
Now comes the truck event that is the mother of all truck events.
why are we doing this?
Because it's truck month, duh.
From the people that brought you family pricing, now comes the most spectacular.
I mean, why this guy?
Because you said truck month was really dramatic this year, so...
Sykora Family Ford presents Truck Month.
Okay, that's it. You can go home now.
But I have more lines.
He has more lines, Ronnie.
I'll take it from here. Truck Month is the best time of the year to buy a truck at Sykora Family Ford. The deepest discounts, the best incentives, and the biggest inventory. And of course, Sykora Family pricing.
I think he was more dramatic.
Okay.
Our family makes the difference at Sykora Family Ford.